Yeah, we're in the hilltop. Oh, man, on the search for the woods. You hear me? Man, welcome to Jamaica. So, Wagwan Carter gang. I know a long time when you not see me. I never want to see me so bush up, but tomorrow my birthday, Wednesday, October 12. You see me watching now? Today I gotta do some ground provisions and such. I'm ground. You see me, I gotta do so again. I'm gonna get some yam stick. I don't know fire for make up and thing for the party. My party October 17, Heroes Day. So watching the man, I gotta take on up on the journey. You see me, if you're new to the channel, like, share and definitely subscribe. Watch how I look now, I soon buzz up back again, you see me? Watch the man, Carter here. Cause man a girl magnet, girl thief. Style where we have make a girl one way, man a girl magnet, girl thief. Girl a Manchester back to Senti, man a. So we're up on the road I go and do the right thing, you know? Oh, that a rampas. So we're up on the road I go and do the right thing. You see me? Sun hot, sun a pelt. You see me? But they one place or one part. You see it? If you don't know a cow, that's a red pole. Hey boy. You see me? I go in a farm, you know. Don't make the girl tell you nothing youth. Farmers make millions, yeah? Multiple streams of income, though. Right away. Yeah. They're on the journey. Good, a nice house, yeah. Yeah, man, that's a really nice house. I haven't seen it in years. You get me? I'm not gonna tell no lie. I used to run through all of them places, yeah. Like, honestly. You see it? But anyway, Carter gang, they are give God thanks. You see me? Every time. This is a house I used to run through it too. No joke. Road make. Okay. People too long, me not forward them place. Yeah. Me not even didn't know say asphalt road, like literally asphalt road. If you go which part me go. I haven't been here in years. When me come at them a place a bush where I go through when my grandfather alive. You get me? They make the road like far easier now. And the asphalt road go down and it go up. Could they? Like I haven't been here in years, yo. And a literal asphalt road. Me feel like, yo, bombard. Could they? What me telling you, say a bush me used to walk. Like literally bush me used to walk. When me I come here, so bush, yo. Mad. Saja, whoever watch Wrong Turn? But yeah, I don't know which way I go. To how long I come here, so. Ah boy, the up there lead to the house, them, the mansion, them, so. Half of this away, yeah. Half of this away, I'm go. Honestly, yo, come on, like literally come on. Chano. Chano. How long I come at them and place at the backside? Pure mall. They could all sell mall, like literally sell it if they want to. Hey people, me reach. Understand? Welcome to the farm. You did it. Yeah man, we have everything here, so there's some dry stick me can look still, honestly speaking. Yeah man. So I will circle the ground here now. I find one as me come still. Well, as me forward, not as me come. I find two. Not bad. Not bad, not true people. This one dry stick, I feel kinda wet, but what we are gonna do? I'm gonna circle the ground here now. Welcome to the Wild Wild West. You see me, this is the Wild Wild West. Coming up on a farm vlog. I get me farm bush up though. And yeah. I'm gonna circle the star apple tree, even though on a star apple time though. But yeah, we're there, you know. I found this lumber. I never say find. I found this lumber. This long lumber. You understand? This can fire 130 chicken. You see it kind of lumber here. Hot! You see it? Yeah man, welcome to the bushes people. You see me farming. If I'm not scamming a farming, if I'm not farming a YouTube, I joke I'm not a scammer. You know? Yeah, I'm just a vlogger. Ah, man, it's sun hot. I'll check out the farm still. I'll peer over here. Interesting. But yeah, people, we're there. You see it? Yeah, man, big up everybody we are checking Monday. Heroes Day, October 12. You don't know a Mandeville, place to be New Green. DM me on Instagram if you want forward. Is me get the location. If you live far, you can just. Yeah, we have cars still, you know. We work out that. But you don't know if I want forward, come all your vibes. Heroes Day, the place to be. New Green. One cart away, you know, we up on the farm. I look the thick them for fry the chicken and the fish them want to deserve. You want for roast all the fish them and all those things. You see me, I look like a farmer, my head want do everything. But just when I buzz up, I'm a mad thing. Tomorrow my birthday too. You see me? I carry lumber go throw it down. Tomorrow my birthday, tomorrow Wednesday. I look they stick them from Tuesday. The party is Monday coming, 5 days ahead. So you don't know me I look some lumber. You see me? Me and Uno now, go take on the farm now. As me say, I farm day, how long farm day I'm gonna come. So I take on it and see if everything's still in place. I don't know, when you're busy as a youth, I try branch out, it's rough, but good thing when you're young and you have so much experience, you see me? And to every youth, if you don't want to do farming, try it, dog. And follow which part the hype I go, bro. At the end of the day, people I live to impress. We live to improve, though. Yeah, man, on the farm, man. Don't make nobody tell you nothing, man. Some of the biggest money Jordan in Jamaica come through farming, tourism, chopping too. Not gonna tell no lie. You see me? So, don't be ashamed of no hustle, dog. Breadfruit you sell, nothing wrong. You see me? You are provide for yourself. You see, pray? Yeah, man, reach the shed. Them a shed that we used to run off. I'm gonna see shed here now. You see it? Reach a shed. Bombard. And them still there though. This is the shed. We used to run off them shed here. No joke. Reach at the star apple tree, but on the star apple time, see a pear tree start grow up. You see me? I'm gonna look on the mango tree. Wasp under here so too. Can't take a wasp bite right now, swell up. No part of me. And I'm telling you no lie. But they are still my people. Man, heart of love, man. Everybody will go forward. Alright. Star apple tree here. Them a star apple here. Some of the biggest star apple me ever see. You see me? Still have a road if you go through there. Mango tree, remember that. So them have a tangerine tree. See tangerine tree here. You see me? Watch it cover pre me. Nah man, when me come at them a place here, you're not even born yet. You come in looking at me. What are you looking at me for? Honestly speaking. What do you say? When you pass cobweb, you just pass Duffy. I say you go fit, yo, come on, you stick through there so. I come fit all I want. I need it now to make up the fire. Man, one of the best star apple tree this ever. See lumber tree there, not the lumber there, Ainana. How do you call it? Bamboo, yeah, bamboo. See the bamboo tree there, cobweb up on the screen. You see me, so we in the farm bush up though. Why? Jaja. Oh, there are my people, you see me? Catch lumber, like. Yeah. Lumber them kind of heavy still, but. So, okay, you know? No. That one, yeah. Yes, man. I catch lumber people, you see me? Should I take off my shirt still, but my ladies them see how my snakes see, you know? Man. Alright. Throw the little one in your panny. You don't know. Can't kill out myself. You see me? Man. Catch lumber, lie? Yeah, man, catch lumber, man. Sun hot. Yeah, man, them hard work you put in, you know? Yeah, man, cut away. Yeah, people, we just come in with the first batch a while ago. And my shirt I have to take off. But I don't know the thing go cut away. You see me? I go back on the farm again. Feel like all thick stick up my pants. You see me? I go back on the farm and now, you know the badness, you see me? Cut away. Who remember ticks? I'm going to the bush and look what catch me. Ticks. I haven't seeing these things in like years. Over 5 years now. I'm going to really come here so make